All right. So, let us appreciate all those our team members that are making sales right now. This is exciting, right? It's exciting to see so many of our team members getting sales, and that's really amazing. All right. So I want to congratulate all of you who have gotten sales. What I want to say is this: we are going to still keep on sending those free traffic to your link. So we are going to keep on helping you to promote your link and also get you those more sales, right? It's really exciting how this work. But look, it's very simple, right? This is the oldest way of doing anything and making it work. It's teamwork, right? So you join our team and then we promote your link for you for free. How do you like that? You see, I have looked at so many people online. They are frustrated. They are having a lot of challenges promoting any product. And it's understandable. Right now, AI is running the thing on every platform, and they are restricting the way we get traffic. They are restricting the way we make success online. So the best thing is to have your own is to have a team come together, right? That's just the best thing. And that's what we have with our team builders program. We have a group of people coming together, building, promoting, generating leads, getting traffic. And when you join our team, we just give you the traffic for free. You don't have to pay us anything. And that's good, right? So we do that just as a courtesy, right? We just help you to promote your business for you for free. That is unheard of. But the good thing is now people who don't know how to promote or don't know how to get traffic, don't know how to get sales, now we are able to now be of help to them. That's amazing, right? So you can see how exciting it is right now, because a lot of people have been crying, hey, I don't know how to promote. I don't know how to promote. But because they joined our team, we just do it for them, right? The traffic, whatever traffic I generate, I just give to those people under my team. And that has helped them to now get leads for free. It has helped to build their email list. How do you like that? It has built their email list. And you know what they say, right? The bigger your list, the more money you make. So as more people see your business, the more the chance of you getting the sale. So this is literally the best program out there, isn't it? What do you think? Now, with this Team Builders program, as you already know, you can earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. Now, imagine this, right? Without you doing any form of promoting, without you generating traffic, without you doing follow-up of your own, and then suddenly you are able to just make $500 commissions. How do you like that? This is what we're talking about, right? You know, the fact that we could help anybody, whether brand new beginners, people already who have been trying for so long, but they don't have the support, because that's all we are doing, right? We are supporting our team members in any way that we can. Right? And that is amazing. Now, a lot of people ask me, but Victor, why is your team doing this, right? Why are you helping other people to build their business and hopefully get themselves? Now, the reason why we're doing it, we've checked around and we've noticed that so many people wants to come online, but they cannot promote. And if you cannot promote, you cannot generate traffic, you're not going to make money. It doesn't matter how much the program costs, right? You are not going to make money. And we just see most people don't have time for those that cannot generate traffic. They don't. They just collect your money and they just walk away. Nobody have time for people, right? But you see, what we check in our team is this. Some people, they are slower than others, right? Others come in, they go straight, they start promoting aggressively, they start attracting people to them, while some other people, they are not like that, right? Some of them are, do you say introverts? They don't know how to talk online. They don't know how to do all the promotions. They don't know how to do it. They don't even, so sometimes you go to their Facebook account and they don't even have friends on Facebook, right? With that kind of situation, that will not make them succeed online, right? But now, we taking the load from them, because that's what we're doing, right? When they join our team, we immediately start promoting their business for them. We start promoting it as aggressive as we can. And that will start helping their business until they themselves understand how to do it themselves, right? This is just exciting. And look, we do it for free, and you'll be asking, hey, nobody does anything for free, right? I understand you. Now, the reason why we do it for free is this. The Team Builders program pays second-tier commissions on all levels. So that means no matter what they buy from the system, we also earn commission. If they sell anything in the system, we also make commission. So this is great. I've not seen any program like that where whether you buy or sell, we make money also as your team members. So because we also earn commissions, second-tier commissions, whenever our team gets sales, that's why we do it for free, right? Because if we help you to make sale, we also make sale. It's just as simple as that. So that's what we want. We help you and we also make money at the same time. So it's a win-win, right? This is amazing. So if you have been struggling online, you have been doing your best, I understand. I understand the problem out there. It's so fast, right? It's almost like you are the only one not making money. That's crazy. But look, you can start making money online today. When you become part of our team. Now, when you look at the thing you get as a team builder, right? You get your own online store. Do you see this? Do you see the products in the store? Look at them. Can you see that? These are products that are in the store. So the first thing you get when you become a team builder, you get your own done for you online store. That is crazy, right? Look at that. Over 20 products in your online store already done for you. You are not even going to pay for any of the products. Most people will tell you when you go to their own store, you are going to pay for all these products. No, but with these team builders, it's already done for you. There are softwares, there are apps, marketing systems, coaching programs. You don't pay for any of them. Once you are a team builder, you get all of them in your store for free. You don't pay. And whenever any of your team member buy any of these products, you make money. That's how simple that's why I love this team builders program, because you can see so many products, right? And that's amazing. And let's even go all the way back up here. I'm going to click on this and then I'll click on commissions. Yeah, can you see that? Oops, sorry. You get what it is, right? You don't have to even be technological to make money with this system. Look at that. Oops, sorry, it keep messing up with me. Look at that. $10,284 already. $10,000. That's what I've made already with this online store system. You can do the same, right? Especially when you work with our team, when we are working with you to get you the success you need. Because look, it's so difficult out there, and that's what we know. Especially for brand new beginners, right? They want to come online, they want to make money, they want to struggle, they want to learn these skills, but the challenges are there, and there are so many people selling so many weird products out there that doesn't make sense, right? I see it every day. You know, they are creating new programs, and they are using all these gurus to sell them, right? They use all these gurus that all they know how to do is they are very good at getting people to buy, right? Even though you are buying rubbish. And then that's why we see at the end of the day, those programs just fizzle away. I remember when I told people to avoid the $5 product, a lot of them just felt they can continue just going for the $5 product, and up till now they've not made any money. How do you want to succeed online when the product is useless? But just imagine the team builders program. Just look at that. Let me show you that, man. Just look at the team builders program. Already, within a short time, I've already made $10,284. But that is not all. That's not the main thing. The main thing is the fact that you get all this, you get an online store. Look at that. Look at the products. Look at that. Look at that. Where do you get any programs like this? Where you get your own online store with all the digital products already done for you. Everything is already there in the store. All you need to do is to drive traffic to this store. Whenever anybody buys any product, you make money. And look, many of these products are high ticket, right? So you get the opportunity to make high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. Look, I stand with the Team Builders program. Anytime, I stand with the Team Builders program. I love the Team Builders program. And that's why I've been promoting it consistently, because it just makes sense, right? You have a real company with real products, and they keep creating new products, all softwares. How do you like that? It's just amazing. So what do you get when you become a team builder, right? Like I showed you, you get your own online store. That's the first thing you get. You get your own online store. Then you also get an autoresponder. A lot of people don't know the power of autoresponder. That's what is called an email marketing system. That's why we are so confident that we can help you with this business, because you already, by joining the team builder, you already have your own autoresponder email marketing system. All we have to do is to send traffic to your link. And that's what we do in the team. We promote your link for you for free. We continue to send the traffic to your link. And by us sending you traffic, we are building your email list. And then the follow-up system is automatic. It is already working, following up with your lead, closing sales for you. Come on, it's just amazing. So you get a lot of software, you get the autoresponder, you get the website builder, you get marketing softwares, you get marketing material. So you see, some people always complain they don't know what to promote on social media. When you are a team builder, you get all these images, videos, reels, everything already done for you. You just copy and paste, copy and paste. Great. Okay, let's assume you don't even have the time to do that. As a member of our team, we will do that for you, right? Imagine that. So making this system 100% done for you. So if you don't have any technical skill, It doesn't matter because everything is going to be set up for you. Once you join the team builders, they set up your website, set up your funnel, set up your online store, set up everything. So you don't need to know how to promote. You can learn that later because why? We are going to promote your link for you for free. You don't need to know how to get traffic. Doesn't matter. We will get the traffic for you for free. You don't need to follow up if you don't want to. We are going to follow up with your leads for you. So with this system, there's no recruiting, no selling, no calling, nothing. You don't need to even have any experience, right? So look, with it, there's no monthly fees. There's just a one-time setup fee to set up your account, set up your funnel, set up everything, one-time setup fee, and that is all. Then you become what is called a permanent team builder. Look, we only accept permanent team builders in our team. We don't accept any other person. And this is worldwide. So it doesn't matter which country you are from, you can also be part of the team builder. Now, like I said, why do we do this? Because we earn second-tier commissions. What does that mean? Every time our team member gets a sale, we also make money. It's just like that. So it's become beneficial for us to promote your link for you. Instead of allowing your business to go fallow, we promote it for you so that when you get sale, we also make money. So it's just a win-win, right? So it's amazing. So let's say you want to join our team because that's the only way it works. There is a link in the description above. Click that link, go through the process, and then join our team. There's a one-time setup fee. You pay that fee to the team builders, not to us. We do everything for you for free, but you pay the one-time setup fee to the team builders, and they set up your account. And once they set up your account, they give you your link. That link, that's what you're going to send to me, and I'm going to add you quickly to our team traffic system where we just start sending you traffic for free. So you don't have to bother yourself about that. You can learn that as you go along, right? So that, but that's amazing. It's just awesome. But let me put out a disclaimer out there. There is no guarantee of sales because some people are going to come, hey, guarantee me sale. I can't. There is no guarantee of sale, okay? But what you want to know is this. I am getting sales. Many of our team members are getting sales. And we believe the more we promote your link, the more your chance of getting sale. And look, it is to our own benefit to get you sales. Like I said, every time we get you a sale, we also make money. Come on. All right. Now, if you want to get started with the Team Builders program, through our link, because that's the only time we accept you. You want to go to that link in the description above or in my profile, join the Team Builders program, and then, like I said, once your account has been set up, everything set up, bring your link, and we will start promoting your link for you for free. All right. So, guys, if you have any question about the Team Builders program, about our free traffic system, you can always privately DM me. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button because we want more people who are struggling online to be able to learn that there is opportunity in teamwork, right? We want more people to know that teamwork is always the best when you want to make money online. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.